Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. In this video we will be talking about COTI. We'll have a look at some of the key statistics of the network and then we'll jump over to TradingView and do some technical analysis to see what's going on with regards to price action, some key levels to target as an investment perspective or even if you're looking to trade it. First up, please make sure you do hit that like button, that you are subscribed to my channel, and let's crack on. So COTI or COTI or however you want to pronounce it, it is currently ranked 304 out of all cryptocurrencies that we have listed on CoinMarketCap. We have a token price today of $0.054265. We are 15% up in today's trading. You could call that pretty much 5.4 cents. We have a total supply of 2 billion, and out of those in circulation, it's around 25%, around 568 million. We are getting a 24-hour volume of just shy of $13 million, and the market cap today, which is, what date are we on? 13th of December 2020, is $30.5 million. If we just look down to the market pair, see where we're getting that trading. Binance is getting a fair whack on Tether, 44%. We are then getting a further 23% against BTC. So you can see pretty much Binance is taking a good 75% of the entire market volume there. A lot of people do use Binance, so it is probably the best place to go and grab it if you're looking to get hold of some. One final point, all-time highs. That was July 2019, and it was 12 cents. So we're not a million miles off that now. We're 5 cents. We're about 120% off getting to them highs. So it's not a million miles off, and the all-time highs are in target. So that is the key stats. We'll jump over to TradingView now and do some technical analysis. So here we have COTI versus the dollar, the monthly time frame on Binance. We've not got a lot of data really. We've got about 10 months. This is from February 1st, 2020. So, I mean, we've not got the all-time highs in. So, previously I marked it up there. So, that's 12.7 cents, and that was back in, I think it said 2019. So, that is an area to target. We are not a million miles off from there. What I want to do is just start off by marking a couple of key areas of support and resistance at a monthly time frame, and then we'll drop down into the weekly and the daily. So that is the first level there. If you look at that, we actually rejected off there and we rejected off that area there. So that to me confirms it is a valid area. More wicks for better. And I think there's only one more level down here at monthly. We've got one there as well. So that's a monthly level of support if the market does turn sour and starts going down. I'm not going to put any lower because I think, like I say, the markets are bullish at a minute. Drop into a weekly, and again we'll just work our way top to bottom, see if we see any. We're not going to get a ton here, we might get one or two. Let's see what we can see. Nothing. You could say there's one there really. No, I'm not going to put one there. We'll just zoom right in and I'll see what we can see down here. I think that was the next level I saw here. So if you look at this wick here and that wick there, we actually rejected off it twice. So that's a weekly level. It's quite in the middle there. That's pretty much support, and we think we've got one there as well. If you look at that wick and that wick, we both use them as support. So that's two levels there on the weekly. I'll just see if I can get one in the middle somewhere. I'm sure we should have one. Maybe I have to go into a daily. Yeah, I think we'll drop into a daily time frame. This is where we'll do pretty much most of the analysis. Now let's just see if we can get a couple of key levels in around these areas, and then some up here to target. So more levels the better, I say. And if we look here, that wick and that wick. So we actually use that as support, come right through it, and we rejected off it twice. So that's a daily level. I think we're going to have a lot more daily levels than weekly. See if we can get a bit more up here. So we've got one there. Actually use that as rejection and support there. I'm not going to put any higher than that because we're quite a way off that. I just want to get a couple of levels in and around here if we can find any. So let's have a look at that. That to me looks like one. We actually just rejected off that there. So that is in daily level. If you look at that wick where I've just put that cursor, we actually rejected off that, come our way through, actually rejected off it here, and we've rejected off it there. So that's a daily level. That's his next pretty much target to break through. Let's see if we can get one more a little bit lower down here. I think that confirms one there. Yeah, I think we've got enough there. That should be enough to play with. What I want to do first up is put a bearish scenario on this and just have a look at some potential entry points if the market does turn sour. So what I want to use for this is a Fibonacci. If I can find it, there it is. So we're starting from the bottom of the move using that wick all up to that top wick there. And whenever I'm looking for an investment opportunity, I look for the 618 level really. If a project's done a fairly decent move up, I look to target the 618 level. You usually can drag the fib from wick to wick. Sometimes you can drag it from body to body. If we do the body there, so we'll use the last body. And that body there, the 618 level is a little bit lower. As you can see, we've used this area a lot on weekly support, but we'll put it down to the wicks. So that is the Fibonacci in place. So if you're looking for a potential area to invest, we may have missed it already because as you can see, we've come up and we've retraced and we've nearly hit that 618 level, and now we've started to shoot up. So just potential entry point if you are looking to invest could be around here at this weekly level. We have used this area a lot, but the market is looking bullish. So I mean, the chances are we may not come back down here, but you've always got to be prepared for each scenario. So that is the buy zone around here. That entire area I'm going to highlight because I like the 618 level to buy in. What I would like to show you is a potential setup that it's pretty much played out. So if you take this this entire area here, I'm just going to show you a cup and handle method, what could potentially, well, it has pretty much broke out. So you can see here we have the cup, and then also the, let's get rid of that there. So the trend was then from there to, I mean, you could say it was down there. Just bring that across. So it looks like it's slightly a cup and handle. So that to me was the cup and handle on the daily time frame, and we have broken out of that now, and we have actually gone up, rejected off pretty much 5.5 cent. So what we need to do now is to remain in a bullish tact, is start breaking through some of these levels. We've got to close a daily candle above 5.5 cent. Then the next target is knocking my microphone everywhere, 5.8 cent. Once we start breaking up here, then we're not a million miles off breaking the all-time the yearly highs. If you mark up the yearly highs here, so that was at 9.9 cents, pretty much 10 cent on the 10 cent on the nose there. So that is pretty much one of the major targets to break. If we can break that over the next few months, then all-time highs is not far away. Just put a few bullish targets on. Once we start breaking up above 5.5 cent, the next target is 6.9 cent, and then we have some further targets up at 7.8 cent. Once we do start breaking up then the yearly highs is in sight, and we can then look at plotting some further levels. What I will do by then, hopefully we'll have a bit more data, and I'll have a look at some different charts if there's any more data on other charts other than Binance. I've not looked that over. I'm only using the Binance chart, that is where I pretty much do most of my trading and investing. So that is some potential buy zones for you to get in down here. We have weekly support at 4.1 cent and 3.9 cent. If we do get a retracement, the 618 level is down there at 3.8 cent as well to potentially target, because we do really need to remember that sells do happen and people take profits, so the potential is it might come back down there. We have been trading in this area a fair while, all the way down here, so there is potential to get some targets, some buy orders in targets there. And then if not, if we do turn bullish, then these are levels to break. What I will do is, once we break a daily candle above 7.8 cent, I'll jump on, do another video and do some further analysis, and hopefully then we will have some more data to go at. So that is in a dollar pair. Next time as well, I will run over the BTC chart if you do trade in BTC, but that will do it for today's video. First up, please make sure you do like this video, subscribe to my channel, make sure that you are in my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.